What's up everybody? It's time to make our thumbs a little more green. In today's video, well, I was in the process of making a video on these epiphyllum seeds that I just collected, and I noticed something rather unusual about our Christmas cactus that I had never seen before. And it turns out, after doing some research online, there's not too many people out there. In fact, I only found one example on a website that is no longer active, so I can't even read anything about it, but it's this crazy mutation that I found that I think was really cool, and I just wish the whole plant grew like this. So taking a look, you'll see that we have the three edges here on this petal of this Christmas cactus. Instead of just the usual single flat leaf that you get on all of the other Christmas cactuses out there and everything that I've grown in my life or have ever seen, I've never seen this tri-edged leaf formation before. So I just wanted to bring this mutation to your guys' attention to see if any of you have gotten this as well. I think it's really neat, and I would love to find some way to duplicate this and maybe splice this cactus at some point that would cause it or force it to duplicate this growth. Because if you had a whole Christmas cactus plant that grew like this, I think it'd be really awesome. I'm sure there's some reason why it has not already been done. Like, I can't be the first person to come across this or think about doing it, but just let me know what your guys' thoughts are on whether or not I might be able to duplicate this. I'm going to make a few different calls to some universities or some master gardeners to see what their thoughts are, to see if this is possibly something I can duplicate. Even if it's not, I thought it'd be a really cool mutation to show you guys. It just looks sweet. I just really wish that I could have a whole Christmas cactus like this instead of just this single petal. You know, it's the unfortunate thing about nature is sometimes things like these are just so random and there's nothing we can do to duplicate it. I'm afraid that's probably what we're going to find out, but I'm letting you guys know I will dig further into this to see if, see for one, what it is, what causes it, and to get into the finer details with that. So there you have it, one mutated Christmas cactus. Thank you all so much for watching. Happy gardening, and we'll see you in the next video.